You paid $1,500 for your Microsoft Surface Duo 2. An Otterbox Riveter case is $90. Should you protect your Surface Duo 2? Let's talk about it. Welcome to the video. If you're new here, welcome. I hope we earn your subscription today. So let's talk about this Otterbox Riveter case. Pretty expensive device that we are attempting to protect, and in some ways a fragile device. We have a device that's got mechanical hinges on it. It is a very thin device, yet there's a fair amount of mass. So what happens to the device when you drop it? You have the Microsoft bumper that you purchased. $40 for that thing. What's going to happen if you drop it? That bumper's probably not going to protect it. You got to get real lucky with the land as to where it lands. And if it lands back around the hinges, forget about it. You're not going to get protection there. You're just going to have to hope that nothing happens. Hope. The bumper is going to give you very, very, very minimal protection. What else is out there for us? There is a case that's made in China, and there's really just one case, and you can purchase that case on Amazon under one name. You can find it on eBay, and you can find it at AliExpress, and you can pay anywhere from, I don't know, $8 to $9 up to about $25 for the same case. I purchased one, very minimal protection. I would say none, really. About equal to the protection that you would get from the bumper. So not very good protection for a drop. I'm going to go over a few things about the case, and then kind of help you see maybe where the case actually has some value. Okay, let's take a look at this case. I'll try to keep it in frame here. Kind of zoomed in a little bit so you can get a better look. You can see my camera up ahead. It is a three-part construction. Now there are screen protectors. There is one on the front, outside, clear, and of course over the inside screens. So typical plastic screen protector. Then we have the actual what you would consider to be the case itself, and it's a two-part construction. There's a polycarbonate shell here, which of course polycarbonate is a very strong and durable plastic. And then bound to it is a synthetic rubber here. So these two combine to give us our drop protection. Drops of 4 foot were tested. I think it was 25 times. You will see that we start here at the rivets, the riveted part. It's a polycarbonate. There is nothing across the back edge. You cannot protect this area. That's impossible. However, a drop to a flat surface like so, you'll be okay. Or on a corner. These would be the things that they tested. We have a covered USB port. So this will keep dust and lint from getting down inside of your port, and provides a little bit of moisture protection. They don't claim that, but I do believe you could pour water on it this way in this direction, and it would protect it. You cannot submerge it. The design has the rocker for the volume protected, as well as the power button / fingerprint sensor. Yet you still have access to the fingerprint sensor. It does work. There's a lip on the back, which is above the camera bump, so you don't have to worry about laying your device down like this and scratching the camera bump. Really neat engineering here as it tapers down, as you can see, so that we can get a full fold. So it goes completely back to the camera bump. It's just what you would want. Exactly what you would want. All the camera, speaker, mic, everything is exposed, so you don't have any concerns there. I've found that it's going to take a little bit of getting used to hold it in book mode and having the lip back here lay across your hand, but you get adopted to it very quickly. And I find that the lips here and here make it easier to hold, and you can actually hold the device one-handed and use it. So if you're a one-hander, this is going to be a bonus to you. It does add some bulk, but then what good protective case is not going to add bulk? I think it's a well-engineered product, and it drove me to make the decision, yes, buy this. It gives me peace of mind. So I know that I'm going to survive most of the types of drops that would occur. Okay, so I purchased the case. I'm keeping the case. It gives me peace of mind. I mentioned some of the things that really kind of strike me about the case, and I do think this is a buy. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscriptions, awesome. These things help with the Google algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, so please like it. Don't just say you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Comment, tell me what you think about the case, tell me what you're doing, and finally, thanks again for watching the video.